STC Group is a worldwide leading educational and research institution to the shipping, logistics, transport and process industries. In the public domain, STC Group offers preparatory vocational education, VMBO, senior secondary vocational education, MBO, and higher professional education, HBO, under the Dutch education system. In the private domain, it offers accredited master's level courses, full-time and part-time, business courses training, and consultancy services. In the private domain, STC Group provides the worldwide education training, consultancy and research for the maritime and offshore, port and terminals and transport and logistics industries in Europe, Africa, Asia, and Latin America. STC International operates through its participation and partnerships in countries such as South Africa, Vietnam, the Philippines, Oman, Colombia, and Kazakhstan. Representative Office of STC Group in Vietnam. Launchpad for transport, logistics, and shipping industries in Vietnam. In nearly 30 years of operation in Vietnam, STC Group has cooperated with many educational, consulting and researching institutions for providing technical assistance, developing high-quality human resources in the maritime field, transportation and logistics. At the same time, STC Group has developed the Transport Chain Simulator, which has become one of the most advanced systems in the world, fully simulating the functions of transport and logistics chain in the world. All the different functions in the complex transport chain are illustrated in this simulation system. These simulation scenarios and systems do not only play an important role in training courses, but also provide effective services that meet all of our customers' high and diverse standards all over the world, significantly contributing to the development of Vietnam's human resources, especially in the field of maritime and logistics, promoting the development of the transport economy in Vietnam. STC Group has now obtained the know-how, expertise and competencies in specialized fields, providing advice on the development of master plan for port and transport supply chain process, providing training courses on port management, developing visual databases for port, wharves, and bridge simulations, creating and developing various simulation options for ports, ships, and scenarios simulating ship navigation based on multiple contexts to determine the relevant technical factors and maritime traffic safety, developing the application and scenarios that simulate the TCS system and animate each role in TCS scenarios. Visualize the assembly, operation and maintenance of some difficult parts of equipment or machinery to facilitate students' learning. In addition to the aforementioned services, STC Group also has close cooperation with the two organizations in Vietnam. They are the University of Transportation in Ho Chi Minh City and the Tan Can Saigon, Saigon Newport. The first is UTSTC, Maritime Human Resources Training and Company Limited. This is a joint venture between the University of Transport, Ho Chi Minh City, and STC Group Holding BV. It was established in Ho Chi Minh City in 2005 to provide the maritime professional training courses for young people and adults who either want to work or who have already been working in the dynamic world of shipping and transport, thus delivering well-trained and experienced maritime seafarers for vessels all over the world. The training center contains a cargo loading simulator, an engineer room simulator, and a bridge simulator. Focusing on merchant marine, UTSTC is active towards the whole maritime sector, inland shipping, sea and inland tanker, dredging, offshore, fishing, and passengers and cruise vessels. With a modern simulator system and a team of dynamic professional staffs, UTSTC is a fully licensed and certified crew manning office, supplying hundreds of Vietnamese qualified seafarers to the international merchant fleet since 2006. The other important corporation is Tan Cang STC. Tan Cang STC Human Resource Development Company, TCSTC, is the training center for the port, shipping, transport and logistics sectors located in Ho Chi Minh City. This is a joint venture between STC Group of the Netherlands and Saigon Newport, SNP, the largest container operator of Vietnam. TCSTC provides education, training, and consulting solutions, maritime, port, logistics, port connection, transport, terminal, and other maritime services. With the motto of education, training, consulting, managing world-class human resources in the entire supply chain in Vietnam is to transfer the world's leading knowledge and experience from STC Group. With special ability from the combination of STC Group's leading knowledge base and experience and the cooperation from leading domestic experts, Tankan STC is committed to provide specialized training solutions to meet market requirements in this field and more broadly in the Southeast Asia. STC Group missions. With a mission to bring career experience opportunities for learners and students, STC Group commits to maintain a leading position in the maritime and logistics training industry, make an effort to become a brand with high competitiveness, and participate in the regional market share, contributing to make Vietnam become one of the region's specialized maritime and logistics training centers. STC Group will always be the pioneer in contributing and transferring knowledge, skills, and technology into the development of transportation, logistics, and maritime industry in Vietnam, constantly leading the development and promotion trends, supporting the available potentials and advantages to turn the maritime and logistics training field into a spearhead economic sector, increasing competitiveness in the overall picture of the world logistics and transport industry. STC Group's global strategy in the near future. Lifelong learning. Encourage lifelong learning. Create a continuous learning environment where all members have access to activities that enhance the knowledge and skills necessary for their careers. World Citizens. A global citizen strategy helps to create conditions for building human resources capable of working globally with advanced and modern skills. Future-proof education. Education and training associated with the trends in the related fields. We're committed to meet the requirements of constantly updating the latest and complete knowledge. Ensure students when graduated from training courses are fully equipped with knowledge and skills for the future. Focus on the labor market. Linking training programs to the needs of businesses in both quantity and quality. In other words, creating training programs in accordance with the requirements of the market in line with the actual needs of businesses and the labor market. Expertise and innovation. Applying IT to education and training activities. Quickly grasp and deploy new trends in the field of training, such as simulation, modeling, and online learning combined with tradition, visual reality, etc. Enhancing the development of a leading team of experts for training and advisory.